Today we're going to have a discussion about the subject of it's not a big deal until it is. Most of us have heard of the saying, it's not a big deal until it is. Whether it's related to production or safety, there are always issues that we recognize, but we don't do anything about them to correct them in a timely manner. These issues we leave unchanged until something occurs, and then it becomes a huge deal, either to upper management or to someone else. This kind of situation occurs every day at many companies. When these situations occur when dealing with workplace safety, leaving hazards unaddressed can lead to injuries or worse. When an injury occurs, that unaddressed hazard is sure to become a big deal. So what are some of the unaddressed hazards in the workplace? How many hazards are things that we knowingly walk past every day at work? Why is this a common occurrence at many job sites? Is it that the employees are lazy? Are the managers careless? Or does no one care? The list of reasons why hazards are walked past and then left unaddressed can be a long one. A few common related responses when we ask why a hazard has been left unaddressed are, well, it's not a big deal. It'll be okay. It's always been like that. No one's worried about it. The problem with these responses is that it shows that there's a complacency towards the situation, as well as there are multiple people who are not taking action to correct the hazard. These types of responses often show that bigger problems are present, not just the carelessness of one or two individuals. When is it that a hazard becomes a big deal? As we mentioned above, we've all witnessed situations that are much like ticking time bombs in the workplace. For the most part, we all know what needs to be done. We know what the expectation is for the work that we do, including working safely. Oftentimes, the upper management of a company has a high expectation for their work sites to work safely. However, hazards are left unaddressed at an individual site level or in part of a facility. When an injury occurs due to a hazard that's been recognized but not corrected, this is when it becomes a big deal for everyone involved. So, what can we learn from this? Well, do not wait for an issue to become a big deal before addressing it, especially when it comes to hazards at work. We do not always have a total control over each and every situation, but there's always something we can do to try to bring it to light or to get it corrected. Choosing to take action can make the difference in preventing an injury. Remember, it's not a big deal until it is.